Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys my awesome TV mount. If you're anything like me, you are probably tired of having a clunky TV stand in your living room or bedroom. That's why I decided to get my TV mounted. And I chose this mount because it was versatile, safe, and I think that it adds a sleek design to my bedroom. I love that it has this full motion design that allows me to swivel, tilt, and even extend my TV out towards me. And that just kind of ensures that I'm having the perfect angle wherever I am in the room. And it adds like a personal home theater experience to watching TV. So I would highly recommend this TV mount. It's super safe, it has not fallen off from my wall, and that's my point of view.